Hey everybody, this is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to share with you what I'm having for supper tonight. I'm trying to do the low carb as much as possible, and so I found this recipe on Pinterest and I wanted to give it a try. Thank God for Pinterest. The things that you're going to need for this, and it's called the Taco Cabbage Skillet. The things that you're going to need for this is 1 pound of hamburger meat, or in my case I'm using ground turkey. Now it is better if you can use hamburger meat because of the full fat, but I am out of hamburger meat, so I'm going to be using ground turkey. You are also going to need a half a cup of salsa. Now you want to try to get a no sugar salsa. This is what I have on hand right now. And it's probably not as good. There's like two net carbs in this, which is not really that bad, but it's just for 2 tablespoons, so actually it probably is pretty bad. But I didn't want to waste, and so we're going to use this jar up. But you need a half a cup of salsa, 1 pound of hamburger meat or ground turkey meat, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and I just got the tricolor coleslaw. It was already shredded and had a few extra veggies in it, but you need 2 cups of that, and then you need 3/4 cup of shredded cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. And so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to brown and drain your hamburger meat or taco meat, whichever one you're using. I'm using taco meat. And then you are going to want to add all of the rest of the ingredients. Now be sure this is drained really well, or you don't want all of that grease and stuff to be in there. You are going to add your 2 cups of shredded lettuce, shredded cabbage, and then you're going to add some salt and some pepper, okay, and then you also want to add your half a cup of salsa and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Okay, so let's give this a stir. Now you don't want to add your cheese until the end of this, because it would just melt and scorch. Guys, this smells really, really good. Okay guys, sorry my camera died and so not sure where I left off, but all you want to do is, after you add all of the ingredients, you're going to also add about a half a cup of water and stir it all together, and then cover it and let it steam until the cabbage gets soft, and then you will have this. And this looks amazing. So now I'm just going to turn this down. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to sprinkle in the shredded cheese. And I'm going to stir that in. Oh gosh, guys, this looks and smells amazing. Now you can top this with whatever you want after you get it done. I chose to do sour cream. You could do avocado. You could do, I also added just a little bit more shredded cheese. You could do chives, onions, you know, whatever you like on the top, you can do. I chose to do sour cream because I am trying to keep this low carb, and sour cream is a fat that I need to get in. And so look how amazing this looks, and I am almost certain oh gosh, it is so good. You've got to try this. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down below. Ring the bell so that you never miss the video. Thanks for stopping by with me. I'm going to eat.